Hi friends, welcome back to Code India. This is the second part of core data. In our previous video, we learned how to save data inside core data. Now we will fetch the data saved in the core data. So let's start. We already have created our custom table view. So we are going to use that custom table view to load all the data saved inside my core data. On the click of the show button, we will navigate to our view controller class. For this I am using my storyboard ID. So I have added the storyboard identifier to my view controller class. Now I am using self.navigationcontroller.postViewController. This will allow me to move to view controller class on the click of the show button. Now I will use the data helper class to fetch the employee data saved. Inside my view controller class, I will create a object employee. This will be the array of employee model. Now inside my database helper class, I will create a function named getEmployeeData. This employee data will return me the array of employee model. For retrieving employee data from the core data, I need a fetch request. So I will create an object for fetch request. NS fetch request takes NS managed object and name of the entity. The name of my entity is employee. The E will be capital. We will use do catch for handling our error. Inside my do block, I will use my executable code, and catch part we will print the error. We need to create an employee object. This employee object will contain all the employee information. So for creating an employee object, I will create a variable. I am using context.fetch to fetch all the employee data, and this employee data will be saved in employee object. I will return this employee. We will return this employee object, which is an array of employee data. Now we need to call the database handler function getEmployeeData from my view controller file. So I'll open my view controller file, and inside my view controller file I will write employee is equal to database helper dot shared instance dot get employee. This will return me employee array. My employee array count will be the number of row of the table view. Now lbl name.text will be employee index part.row dot name. Similarly, employee city, employee phone will be employee index part.row dot city, and employee phone will be employee index part.row dot mobile. So in this way, I will load all the employee data on my table view. Let us run our code. That's all for today. In my next part of tutorial, we are going to save employee image and we will retrieve the employee image from the core data. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel.